बात कर रहे हैं सॉलिड फॉर्म में, तो जो लोहा जो डिजॉल्व हो रहा है अंदर, आयन जो है अंदर वो डिजॉल्व।
The activities were really related to everyday life, and there are certain questions that were intriguing us, that what is the actual reason behind whatever we are doing.
I still can't figure out the reason.
When I used to teach psychology, this approach would have definitely helped them. So again, it is basically letting people explore and then generating questions, making them generate questions and then finding the answers as a group. I think that's what happened right now.
Was researching ROs and RF water filters in Bisleri, जो सबसे सस्ता वाला filtered water होता है. So it has low TSA. I don't know what TSA is. And otherwise the water has high TSA, but up to 500 TSA is good for us. Because it has mineral.
Because I think everybody gets set in a pattern and they have these teaching styles and the same kinds of worksheets, the same kinds of exercises, the same method of teaching, and then they also start to find things boring. So I think if they also find it a little interesting, if they use a different style, the children will also learn better.
We can question everything. Not even if I feel like there is a certain concept I'm teaching in a certain way, students are open to question me in all the possible ways.
Had fun, sort of.